Model Ones has finally arrived. Yay! Let's open it and see what's inside. Ooh, exciting! Ooh, what's this? Nail gel. Ooh, let's have a look. Let's see what they're like. Ooh, lovely. Ooh, that's like a iridescent clear with glitter. Nice. Nice brush. Handy. Ooh, that's like a lilac. That's lovely. What's this one? Ooh, holographic. Fab. I'll put the light on so we can see better. There we are, that's better. That's like a champagne, that's beautiful. Ooh, it's like a pale pink. Let's see what's next. Ooh, Model Ones it says. Ooh, it's the new Wonderland collection. So that's key black. Key silver, which is lovely. It's like a very, very fine glitter. Very nice. This one's Red Queen. It's like a very, very gorgeous dark red glitter. This one's Alice. It's like a blue. It's really nice. Very vibrant. This one's White Queen. It's like a clear iridescent with glitter. This one's Mad Hat, and it's like a bright pink. This one's Wonderland, and it's very, very dark green. It's beautiful. So what do we have next? Ooh, some more white gel. I've got this already. It's brilliant for nail art. Ooh, what's in this box? Let's have a look. Ooh, exciting. Ooh, stamper and a stamping plate scraper. Fabulous. What's next? Latex Protect. Lovely, that's around the cuticle area for when I'm stamping. What's this? Model One's base on top coat. What's next? What's in here? Let's have a look. Ooh, nail varnish is blue, gold, silver, pink, white, red. Oh, they're stamping nail varnishes. Brilliant. Oh, and there's some stamping plates. Let's see what's here. Ooh, take the cover off. Have to take the cover off because otherwise they don't work. So if they're blue, you haven't taken the cover off. Ooh, hearts. Wonderful. Look forward to using those. Let's look at the next one. Ooh, nice patterns. I like the little elephant. Ooh, what's left? A little round one. Let's have a look. Ooh, quite nice. Let's get the cover off. Oh, it's nice patterns, flowers and hearts. I really like that. That's nice. Look forward to using that. What else is there? Ooh, sculpting gel. Brilliant. Because obviously I'm an artist and a sculptor as well as a nail artist. So I'm really looking forward to using this. And I can actually make 3D little sculptures and stick them on my nail. So let's see if this is any good. Brilliant. Okay, so what's left? Oh, this is the freebie that you get when you order over a certain amount. So a couple of files. So it's a file, 150 grit I think, and a buffer. Cuticle pusher, got 3 of these now. Some silver strips and some gold strips. Brilliant. And some gel remover. These are handy if you've just got one that needs taking off. Brilliant. Oh, that's it folks. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.